Good morning guys, this is Ronnie once again and welcome back to my channel. Well, welcome once again for a new video guys. We've already explored the city of Bath, and for this video, we are going to explore the neighboring city, which is Bristol. Bristol is still part of Somerset County sa southwest part ng England. And right now, we've already reached Bristol. I come here using the bus. It's just a one ride away from my area, a 37 minutes travel time. So this is Bristol looks like. Yung mga architecture niya parang mukhang simbahan sa atin sa Philippines. This one is a barber shop. Right now I'm in Corn Street. Later we'll explore more of the area. We'll go to the harbor side. We'll look for some Bansky art. We'll visit the market kung ano yung mga makikita natin. And also, pupunta rin tayo sa street food area sa harbor side. Ayan. Oh, they have vintage shop here. Maybe I'll make a video of the vintage shops here in London also kasi maraming vintage shops din dito. This one is beautiful. It's Old Council Register Office. And on this area, marami ng shops. Later, we'll explore more of it. I'll show you around, okay? You know what guys, I would like to share na yung mga hotel dito, ang gaganda niya, grabe. Parang mga old hotel, yung design niya, grabe. Yung mga design niya, mala simbahan. Look at the Grand Hotel. This is Grand Hotel guys. Ito yung nandyan sa corner. And the other hotel is this one, Harbor. This one guys, this is Harbor Hotel, and outside of it may mga pop-up store. Ayan yung mga pop-up store. This one, this is Corn Exchange. May mga clock sila sa labas and working yung clock nila. See, this is Harbor Hotel. See the design guys, very beautiful. Ang ganda-ganda, grabe. Oh, this one is Corn Exchange Indoor Market. Maybe later we'll walk inside to see what are the items we can get dyan sa market nila. Our first stop guys would be the Harbor Side Street Food Market. Dito pag nagugutom na kayo, dito magandang kumain. Kasi right beside siya ng body of water. And these are the foods you can eat. May mga food truck siya. And then it is called Harbor Side kasi may ferry. And ito yung schedule ng ferry. If you wanted to ride a ferry, those are the schedules. And I just took a video kung magkano yung mga prices for the ferry ride. And ayan yung ferry. And this is the food market, guys. See? Later, we'll visit the suspension bridge. Alam niyo yung suspension bridge? Pag may dadaan na boats, ayun yung nahati siya sa gitna at tumataas para makadaan yung boat. And let's go inside the market. We're planning to eat something first. Yan, ito yung mga kainan. Normal price? 10 pounds. Oh, my Korean chicken. So this is how it looks like. Diba? Ibang-iba yung itsura niya from the Philippines. See? So that is the ferry. It is now leaving, guys. Let's just look for a place to eat so that we have energy throughout the day exploring Bristol. We're still here guys sa Harbor Side, and may amusement park dito. If you're familiar with the Upside Down Museum, they have it here. I'm not sure how it is being called or anong tawag dito, but it looks like the Upside Down Museum. So they have the Ferris wheel there, and then the upside down something, and my Bristol Aquarium dun. This is the lounges. Yung mga kainan, it's just around the area, guys. So if you got hungry, don't worry. This is the Bristol Aquarium. For now, hindi pa tayo dyan papasok, I think, kasi it's gonna be pricey. But this is Bristol. This is on the harbor side, guys, ha? If you're wondering, or if you're planning to visit here, this is the harbor side. So ito yung mga pwedeng gawin. Ooh, may structure pa dun ng globe. Guys, please bear with me if wala masyado kayong makuha dito sa vlog ko. What I just wanted to do is just to show you around dito sa Bristol. Actually, dun sa mga places na napupuntahan ko. For you to have a glimpse of the places I've been to. Ayan. Right now, I'm walking towards the Bristol Cathedral. Just to tell you guys, ang ganda ng simbahan na to. Ang laki, grabe. This is Bristol Cathedral, guys. Look at that. And not only that, hanggang dito pa siya. It's Bristol Cathedral also. It's actually Wednesday. I'm not sure if we can go inside. Pero from the outside, it's magnificent na. See, ang ganda na. May mga readings dito. Let's try to read. Okay. So this is Abbot Gatehouse. Bristol Cathedral originated as a monastery founded in 1140s by Robert Fitzharding. This is the gate. Oh my god. Look at that. Woo! Ang ganda. See? Parang ilang beses ko na sinabi yung maganda na word dito sa vlog na to. Because it's really beautiful, guys. Chuta, mapapatid pa ako. Alam niyo guys, the best way to go around the city is to join a walking tour. On my back, guys, that is a walking tour. This is the Bristol Cathedral. Ayan, pag naka-walking tour kasi, you'll get to know the history of the place better. Unlike pag kayo lang mag-isa yung naglalakad ganyan. Pero it's up to you kung anong type ng traveler kayo. We'll try to go inside the Bristol Cathedral, guys. Good thing it doesn't have an entrance fee. This is how Bristol Cathedral, the inside looks like. It's beautiful. It is made of wood, diba? It's made of wood. Yung ceiling. I can smell it. It's wood. Ay, hindi. Hindi, amoy lang. Ganda.
Yung ceiling nila, tipo ano?
So this is where we're eating our lunch. It's Dozo. Basta yun yung name. So, inside this bar, marami siyang kainan. Maraming pagpipilian. Let's eat lunch first. We are now in Zaza Bazaar. This is Zaza Bazaar. To my surprise, this is actually a buffet. So, kaya marami tayong nakikita na places to eat. This is a buffet, guys. The price is 12.99, good for 1 hour. They have mains, they have desserts, ice creams. Ito, may mga pastas. Ito yung mga selection, guys, dito. This is chicken. Until here sa UK, guys, we're still eating buffet. Oh my god, kaya ang taba-taba ko na. But they have salad. May bar area doon, guys. Fish and chips, guacamole. Oh god. Hindi pala chicken yun. Ito, kala ko chicken.
Fish?
Pala. Hindi, parang potato. Ay, ay bongga. Ang sarap ng lasagna.
Hindi tinitipid, no?
Sure.
Hindi tinitipid. Pagluto.
So from Bristol City Center, guys, we just took a bus going here sa may suspension bridge. Actually, Bristol is known for this bridge. It was founded 1754 ng 24 years old engineer. That is Isambard Bluny, if I'm not mistaken. I-google nyo na lang. And itong area, ang ganda na naman. Ayan. O, wag natin i-judge yan kasi mamaya hindi yan simbahan. Mukha lang simbahan. Pero, from the bus stop, it's actually an 8-minute walk going doon mismo sa may suspension bridge. So, let's just walk and enjoy the sightseeing. We've actually reached the view deck ng suspension bridge, guys. Yung 8 minutes na walk, it's quite a hike, pero maganda siya. Look at the view. That's the suspension bridge. It is called suspension bridge, guys, because if there is a ship like passing through the bridge, it will divide into two. That's why it's called suspension bridge. Bridge.
Bakit suspension?
London Tower
Eme.
Bridge. Yan.
Bakit siya pinahalang suspension?
So, we were able to... Hoy, may sasakyan! Mamamatay kayo dyan. So, we were able to visit Clifton Suspension Bridge, yung kanina, and then we're able to see one of the Bansky art. Pakalat ka, it's all over the place naman, guys. So, if you have time, you can look for everything. Pero right now, hindi ganun karami yung time natin. So, naglilibot-libot lang tayo sa vicinity ng Bristol to see how beautiful the place is. And look at this, guys. Ayan siya. Lakad-lakad na tayo. Ayun na, pupunta tayo dun. Pindutin mga daw. It's just 5 p.m. in the afternoon, guys. And since it's winter, medyo madilim na siya. Kaya, ayan, alfresco, dinner na yung iba. Kumakain na yung iba. Uy, this is Tesco, oh. Pasok tayo.
I will take a picture kasi I'm so amazed. Tesco lang to.
Guys, this is just a Tesco Express. Tesco here in UK is just, it's like pure gold. Mga ganun siya, grocery shop. Pero, it's the next level grocery shop. Ang ganda. Naglalakad lang ako, guys, dito just to appreciate the architecture. I'm not sure if it's Georgian or our Victorian architecture yung meron sila dito. Sabi ako nang sabi, ay, ang ganda nito. Sabi ako nang sabi na parang mga simbahan yung structure, but it's actually Georgian. It's either Georgian or Victorian architecture. Ayun yung mga designs ng buildings nila dito. Diba? Super ganda. I'm not sure what is the name of this streets where I'm currently at. Pero may mga shops dito. Shops, restaurants, ganyan. Ito, Vietnamese po. Ito naman, Stanford's. Ayun, may church dun sa taas. Ayan. Ayun. This is Corn Street pala. Just so you know. Old India. That's it. Mowgli.